How are you this morning? You okay? Mr. Sniffles? You alright? You're going to the doctor's today. What's with the happy paw? Next Tuesday is when he gets neutered. You know what's weird? I have a really sore throat too. I've had it for as long as he's had it, but I can't think of anything that's in here that would cause that. I mean, he sneezes. I've been sneezing too. So, who knows? Ah, Mr. Peach. We gotta wipe the goob out of your eye. Is that why you cry all morning? Because you just want to be touched? Can I put my finger in your brain? Yeah, so, he seems a little better. I have a sore throat bad. Feels like strep throat. And I say that because I've had strep throat 1,000 times. Unless I have some cat coronavirus that I got from him. Open your eyes. Oh, it's a little juice coming out of your eyeball. God, you got eyes like shark's eyes. Like devil's eyes. You look up, and you see those eyes, and they roll over, and they're black, like devil's eyes, like doll's eyes. That was my quint.
You know the thing about a shark, he's got lifeless eyes, black eyes, like a doll's eyes. When he comes at you, he doesn't seem to be living until he bites you. And those black eyes roll over white, and then... Oh, then you hear that terrible high-pitched screaming. The ocean turns red, and in spite of all the pounding and the hollering, they all come in, they rip you to pieces.
Now comes the part of the morning where he cries, right? And I sit here and I try to relax. But he's crying for a reason, because he wants me to open the window. Now here in New Jersey, right now, the temperature is between 32, which freezes water, and 34, which either of them will kill you. Now I have to sit by this window, with the window open so that he can smell whatever it is cats smell. No wonder I'm getting sick. Remember, I'm 66 years old. I really, I shouldn't do this. Yeah. You want to sit in the freezer instead? It'll be easier on me.